Alright guys, so today we're gonna be doing a Shein, I say Shein haul. So I ordered some stuff from my classroom. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys those things. So paid I wanna say around 27 US. Um but I had other things there as well, so it came up to about $102. Shein cost me a, probably $1 and a few cents for shipping, which is strange. And yeah, so I bought some educational charts. So I bought this is a 4 pack. They did not sell them separately because I didn't really want these ones. Um, so they sell them 4 pack and 6 pack, and some of them I didn't get all that I wanted, so I had to buy multiple packs. So I wanted the emotion chart and my body charts, so I had to get the other 2 charts with my day and preposition. Yeah, preposition is like in, into, up, down. So that's one of it. And these were $4 and change. But I think when I bought them, they were a little bit reduced. This one is the 6 pack. This one have almost everything that I want. Has the weather chart, the date of the week, month of the year. Oh, this is the 4 pack. And the one thing I didn't want, but because I wanted the rest chart, is the planet. So you can pick it individually, and I think individually it might have cost a bit more. This is the 6 pack. Just going to them quickly. This one has the alphabet, the numbers, colors, fruits and vegetables, farm animals, and opposites. This one's a nice one. Honestly, I think all 6 of these can be used in my classroom settings. Let's keep going. I bought some. These are supposed to be stick onto the wall, but I thought they would be invisible. But it feels like, you know, mats, table mats. They feels like table mats, but there is a peelable thing at the back where you can actually stick it onto the wall. But I might have to use like extra glue to stick it on. I did not remember picking this one. I remember picking one that was like something that make a difference and something like that. Did not get that one. That's okay. And these were like really cheap, maybe like $1 each. And then I thought these are stickers as well, so you can take them off and stick them elsewhere, which this is not how I want it to be. These are colors and numbers, and there are some shapes there as well. I'm not sure how I'm gonna go ahead and organize this. As you can see, they didn't go ahead and organize it for me where there was colors one side, numbers and shapes. So might use these as a sticker and stick them on the wall. Hold on. This is an alphabet. This is quite big though. So I'm gonna actually peel and stick on the wall, or maybe according to how it looks, because individually down below here it has like a for alligator, what's not. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. These are not stickers, so I don't know. There's only one that is sticker and these. So No, yeah, they are stickers. They are actually stickers. Sorry about that. They're hard to see, and I think they're also peelable. And then I saw that they had some books on sale, and in my mind, I thought they were flat books, right? Like books that are maybe bigger than this, but they are flat. Maybe have 10, 7, some pages, but they are flat. I have some books that would perfectly describe what I was thinking about. So they were selling them, I think it was 10 books for $1, 20 books for $1 and 30 cents. So I set up and buy 10 books for $1. These are the books. I'm not disappointed because I'm gonna be using these. Um yeah, these are 10 books. I'm gonna be using them, so I'm just gonna go ahead, and these are like in Mandarin or I'm not sure which. So we have air, sound, vegetables, bedtime, fact and ten, what are you doing, the Lantern Festival, ball games, a seed. This is good for when you're doing seed as a lesson. In winter, teddy bear. No, I did not choose all these books. This comes in a pack, so I didn't get to choose them individually. However, they will be used. Trust and believe they will be used. We're almost done. Okay, got a little square. So these are some colors, and they are laminated. No, it is laminated. They are laminated. So all of them are laminated, which is a great, so good. And at the back of it, it has the writing of what color it is, which is super good. Very nice. Couple more things left. This is a measurement for classroom, so children could measure themselves. I chose the dinosaur one. I don't know. I think I was more thinking about the boys. I should probably got one for the girls. But it's 180 millimeters, I think. Millimeters, I think. So this is the head, which is the tallest, and which is the highest, and the foot. Yeah, and these are stickers. But I'm gonna use extra. I'm gonna use silicone glue to stick these to the wall, or maybe on a piece of paper to the wall. Okay, so that's that. Last item that I bought. Honestly, there's nothing here that really disappointed me, other than I said nothing, and I said other than well, I would say because I did not. It's not this one. The planet one is not something that I picked. So this is either 1,000 sticker, 1,000 rolls, a roll of 1,000 sticker, or a roll of 500 stickers. I guess I'll find out which one it is. I think it's more 500 than 1,000. Yeah. So these are some of the stickers that it has. Just for praising good manners, good work, whatever it is. Stickers run out so fast because once a child gets a sticker, everybody wants a sticker. Last few things I bought at in Kingston. Yesterday I bought a whiteout And I got two permanent markers. I still need a red one. I got a blue and a black. I got the silicone small one. Didn't have the big one, and a big scotch tape. So I do not think I missed out on anything. Cut these back in, and I'll see you guys later.